Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Retired, don't give up. Today we're going on a little motorcycle trip to not quite Lampang, about halfway. We're going to stop at a little coffee shop with a view. We are all geared up. We'll be going through a mountain pass that's quite dangerous for motorcycles. So we are properly geared top to bottom. I even have my Harley Davidson gloves. So we are on our way for a great day. As you can see, that road is quite dangerous. Our average speed through was about 70 kilometers per hour. You have to be very careful, not just for the traffic, but for the actual road conditions. There's several holes, that can easily throw you off into the ditch. So, normally, if I was alone, I'd probably go through there a little quicker, but I had a special package on the back. Anyway, we carry on. So here inside the coffee shop, at the front where the mountains are, we have a nice sitting area so that you can view the mountains. And of course, it is a restaurant, so there are several tables that you can sit down and be quite comfortable at. I'm going to take you a little tour through the rest of the coffee shop. Lots of little knickknacks. Lots of little memorabilia. We have clocks. Money that's for giving merit. It would be taken to the temple. We have a coffee shop at the front. Nice little sitting area if you want a little private place to sit. And again, another little private place at the front. Lots of little interesting little corners in this coffee shop. They even have a little mini mart. Just like I say, if you're on the road, you want to stop, get water or drink or beer, you can. And again, they have inside, if you prefer to have air conditioning, they have a section in here. If you have to go to the bathroom, which you will, one of the nice little things is you're going to stop right here. And they have all the little chickadees. So, again, bathrooms down this way. Beautiful little oasis on Highway 1 with an amazing view. This is what you get to enjoy while you're having your coffee or your breakfast. So, Lampang Valley Farm, Highway 1, just outside of Lampang, little coffee shop with an amazing view. Until next time, bye for now, and remember, don't give up.